Let's start our lesson. Let's work. First, I would like to share my screen with you and go to here, and I will create a Google document for you because I feel that you don't understand a lot of words, a lot of things that I'm saying, and this is not good at all. So I will create this document. Let's call it classwork. And here I will be typing phrases, words that I am afraid, that I know you may not know. That I know, yeah, or words that you may not know or be familiar with. Now let's read the plan for today's lesson.
Today we will create folder and
Initialize
Git. Initialize Git. We will create two branches with different commits.
I think three actually,
Merge
three, not two, but three. We'll create not two, but three branches.
We will merge the feature branch into the main branch.
What is feature branch? Do you know the word feature?
Feature?
Feature. What is feature? Okay, you will learn this word.
I think it's future.
No, it's not future.
Okay. It's undo.
It's we can do something and undo.
Undo.
Don't you know a famous song by Toni Braxton? Do you know a famous singer, Toni Braxton?
No, maybe.
Don't you know the song "Uncry these tears that I've cried so many nights"? Undo this, unheard this. What is un? When do we use un? What does the prefix un mean? Things like can be necessary, right? Necessary, and they can be unnecessary.
Unnecessary.
Right? Unnecessary. We can be kind and we can be unkind. Yes, do, undo. It's like the opposite. Okay, let's continue. We will rebase the main branch into
the main branch into the feature branches. Into the rebase using git reflog.
Yes.
Okay.
Quite scary, right? So now share your screen with me. Yes, and it was our previous plan here. We still haven't worked with this git clean, and I think we'll be doing this as well today, maybe. So now I will share my. I will give you permission to share your screen with me. Okay.
Okay. Do you see my screen?
Looks like your connection is quite bad today. Yes. What are you doing right now? Tell the viewers, comment on what you're doing.
I open Authenticator on my phone, and I sign sign in. Yes, yes. I sign in
I signed in to.
on AWS.
I signed into my
Sign
AWS
in to
account.
AWS.
What do we do now?
Yes. We open EC2 and I click instance. Instances. Yes, and now I run my machine.
Your connection is very bad today. What's wrong? You need to
I
what?
don't know, maybe
So you need to now, what do you need to do now?
I click instance state and start.
Refresh.
And that's all. And now I can refresh.
And how do we SSH into our machine with Visual Studio Code?
We must copy public IP, open Visual Studio Code.
What's next? Close remote connection. First, you have to close remote connection, right?
Close remote, yes. Close remote connection. Close. Yes, and now I click open remote window, connect to host.
Host.
Add new SSH host. Yes, and type SSH Ubuntu at paste public IP. After I click this, connect.
After that, not just after. After that, I click.
After that,
Linux.
and Linux. Continue. And we must wait.
How much longer will we wait, I wonder? Okay. Now let's create a folder. Today we'll create another folder.
Not exchange files?
You can open terminal. No, today we'll be working in another folder, in a new folder.
Okay. Ой.
Let's create a folder. Type ls to see what we have here. No, it's okay. It's a terminal. ls, yeah.
ls.
Let's create a new folder here. Let's call it git practice, maybe. Git practice, right? Git _ practice.
Git practice.
Now what do? Yes, first we have to go inside this folder, cd, into this folder. And what do we do? How do we show that it's a Git folder? What do we need to do now? How do we initialize Git?
No, Git init.
So, and our plan was, now let's rename, but we cannot rename. Yeah, okay. Let's try to rename the branch. Right now it's master. Let's rename our branch to main. Git branch -m, capital M, And the name main.
Main, yes.
Now we need to
Git.
yeah, how do we see branches?
No, git log online.
No, branches.
Git branches. Git
Git
branch.
branch hyphen
Нет.
A to see all
Why нет?
branches.
Git branch.
You have to git. No,
Oh,
do it.
yes, minute.
Hyphen A. It's not hyphen M, it's hyphen A. But it doesn't show anything. Why? Because we haven't created any commits. We haven't made any commits yet. So let's create 4 files here. And every time we need to stage the changes. And after creating, we need to commit each file.
Okay.
Let's create just
What file?
1 txt, 2 txt, 3 txt, 4 txt, 5 txt.
txt. Git
Git add. It's not git add. Git add.
Git Git commit. Git run. Txt. Okay.
Now let's see the branch. Now we can see our branches.
Git.
No, branch.
Okay. Hyphen A.
See, main.
Okay.
Yes. Let's create 4 files actually. Not 5, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Txt. Git add.
It's not git add. It's git add.
Git add.
Add.
Git add.
Yeah. Like
Add.
bad. We say bet. We say bad. Okay, git commit.
Created to txt.
Created 2 txt. And 2 more.
Ой, minute. Так, touch. Touch sweet txt. Git add. Git commit.
Git commit.
Yeah.
And 1 more.
Touch.
Касаться. Touch. 4 txt.
Add. Okay, this is all, yes?
Now let's see the history of commits.
Bitlog online, yes.
git log, one line. Now let's switch to the second commit. And now open this folder. Click on File. No, this.
Git practice. Okay.
The connection is very slow today.
Okay.
And terminal. What is it? Yeah. Now let's switch to the second commit. How do we do this?
Okay. Let's look. Yeah, the second
Let's
commit.
travel back in time.
Git. Git
Check.
branch.
Git checkout.
Git checkout. Git check out. Hyphen, yes.
What do we do? How do we switch to the second commit?
I don't remember. Git check
How do we move in
hyphen
time?
I don't remember. Maybe
Each
git
commit,
counting.
what does each commit have? What are these 7 numbers? See?
No, it's ID.
Yes, copy the ID of the second commit.
And it's all, yes.
And paste it here. And this is how we do this. What happens? Look at our files. Tell the viewers what happened. We had 4 files and now we have
2 files because
Why?
we go to stop назад.
We went back in time.
Yes,
We went back in
time.
time.
Yes.
Yes. And now let's create a new branch here. And this branch, the main branch and our new branch will diverge after the second commit. So it means that the first 2 commits will be the same, right? But after the second commit, they will be different. Let's do this. And let's call this branch Nastya. Your name Nastya. And let's create 2 more files here. Yes. How do we see the branch? How do we switch to the branch? Right now we are in detached state. So we aren't on either branch. So we aren't we are in detached state. We aren't on main or on Nastya. Let's see the branches that we have. Git branch -a. One more time. Let's have a look at them. What do we have here? See, right now our head is where we are currently, right? Head shows where we currently are. So it's detached state. We are in detached state. It means that we aren't on main or on Nastya. But we need to switch to the Nastya branch. How do we do this?
Type git checkout.
And the name of the branch that you want to switch to.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Right.
enter. And now let's
And
see
now
what
I
we have
can
here. Let's see what we have on this branch. Git log.
git log. What line?
One line, yes. So this branch has just two commits, right?
Just one, two commits. Yes.
Yes, and your main branch has
Um, my
four
main
commits.
four commits.
Yeah, but your second
Yes.
branch has two commits. And why are the first two files the same, both in our main branch and in master branch?
Because we created
Because
master branch.
we were in detached state at our second commit. And we created
Mm-hmm.
our branch in this detached state. Yeah, because our head was at the second commit, but main branch. Yeah, it wasn't actually any branch. Yeah, because we were in detached state. And when we created our master branch at that commit, being in that detached state, yeah, it means that our branch will be different, yeah, after the second commit. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, now let's create two more files here on this branch. And we need to show that they are
Mm,
different. Touch and one Nasta
one
txt. No, it's not one, three Nasta
txt.
txt. Three, right? Okay, let's delete it. How do we delete this file? Type git.
Git
No. Git clean -n. -n.
like this.
Yes. See, it would remove one Nasta txt. And now if you want,
Uh-huh.
so it
Yes.
shows what can be removed. Yeah. And
Uh-huh.
now we can remove this file by typing git clean -f. And everything after the last commit will be deleted. Understand?
-m.
F.
Uh-huh. F.
See what
One master
happened?
txt.
And now
Yes.
let's call this file
Okay.
not one, but three nasta.txt. Three. Because we have one file, one, yes, two, and three nasta.txt. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
And let's type something here. Git add, yeah, and commit. You can say three nasta.txt and first commit on Nasta branch.
Mm-hmm. First commit
On Nasta
master
branch, yeah.
master.
And now let's create one more for Nasta.txt.
Master txt. Git add. Mm, second commit on master. Okay.
Let's see all the commits on both branches. How do we do this?
Git
Log,
log.
one line, graph,
One
all.
line. One line. Graph.
All, hyphen.
Oh.
What's happening here?
um,
Explain to me what's happening here.
We have two branches.
Show it with a cursor.
The
Cursor, yeah.
it's main branch. It's main.
It's both main
Yes, it's
and
main branch.
the first two commits are the same on both branches, understand?
Both yes.
Yes.
Both branches.
And after the
Uh,
second branch,
this
after the second commit, they start getting different. They diverge, right? Расходятся, diverge.
this first branch main.
Yeah,
We have
these are the
to
commits
file
of the main branch. And
yes, and the
these
second
are
branch Nastya.
these are the commits of the second branch, right?
The second branch,
And
yes.
now you need to create a third branch, Alex, but this time from a third commit. How do you do this? Let's create a third branch, Alex.
Git branch.
Go to switch to main, right? No. You need to
Now
create
we
a Alex from the third
yeah.
commit on main. Understand?
Okay. Git checkout main.
Yes.
Main and now
Now let's see the commits here on this branch. Log.
no.
No, it's a mistake. Jointly. You wrote jointly, separately. And let's create a third branch from the third commit. How do we do this?
Okay.
We created our second branch at the second commit.
I type git checkout. No.
Yes, but how do we move back in time?
Git.
We need to be in the detached state first. How do we move to the third commit?
Type git
How do we travel in
commit.
time?
No, git commit and paste ID.
Third commit, not second, third.
So commit.
Yes. So
Yes.
we need to move to this commit and create a branch here, Alex. And main and Alex will diverge after the third commit, understand? So right now, main and Nastya diverge. They get different after the second commit. But if you create Alex at the third commit, they will diverge after the third commit, understand? It means that the first three commits will be the same on the main and on the Alex. Understand? Let's do this. How do we check
Yes.
out? How do we switch to the third commit?
No, git checkout or git
Of
commit.
course, git checkout. Git checkout, yes.
Git checkout. Yes, 1 minute. Now git checkout.
Let's see. Log.
Okay.
No, branch. Git branch hyphen A. Git branch hyphen A. See, we are in detached state right now, head. And now we are in this detached state. We are at this commit currently, right? Third commit of main, actually.
Yes.
And now let's
Yes,
create
and
a
now
new
I
branch
can
here.
create.
And now starting from here, yeah, let's create a new branch, Alex. And you'll be working on your branch, and I will be working on mine in the future. On mine. And now let's see what we have here. Git branch A. One more time. Let's check out to
Okay.
my
Yes,
branch.
and then Alex.
Let's see what we have on this branch.
And
now it's my branch. Like Nasta is your branch and Alex is my branch. Let's see the commits that we have here. See? So here,
yes.
and now type git, no. And you understand, right? So on this branch, we have 3 commits. Yeah, I have 3 commits.
No, it's both.
Yes, you have, but initially you had 2 commits, right? Understand what's happening
No,
here?
I can open our.
Yes, but first let's create 2 more commits here. Let's create 2 more commits, and I will have 5 commits. I will have 5 files. Let's create 4. No, why git? Touch 4 Alex txt. Yes. And let's create one more. Yeah, first commit on Alex. And let's create one more file here. 5 Alex txt.
And git commit happening. Created 5 Alex txt. Wait 1 minute, please.
Second commit,
My
right?
friend, 1 minute. Sorry, please.
It's okay, don't worry.
That created 5 Alex txt.
Second commit on Alex.
Alex.
And now let's see this beautiful tree.
Remember, git. Git log hyphen 1 line hyphen graph hyphen all. Yes, I remember. Oh
See
my
this
god,
beauty.
what's okay.
Explain to me what's happening here.
Okay, we have do both commit. After that, we create 1 minute. Now we have 3 branches.
3 branches.
Branches. What is it? It's main commit, yes.
So what's happening? Let's start from the very bottom. Самого низу. The first 2 commits.
No, it's two.
So what is this?
2 commits.
It means that Nasta and main have the same 2 commits, right? Nasta and main. Where are the second 2 commits on Nasta? Show the second 2 commits on Nasta.
This.
Yes. So see what's happening. Yes, created for Nasta and 3. This is how our branch looks like. So it's green, right? Green goes. Green and main. Where are the 2 commits on the main? Created 3txt, right? See?
Created 3txt and
created 4txt.
this.
Yes, and now what about Alex and main branch?
And
Where is my, what
this.
about my commits? Uh-huh.
Ah,
No.
wait, no, this.
Yes. And they get different after what commit?
What?
If we compare main and Alex, where do they start getting different? I'm not sure that you understand get different. Do you understand get different? Diverge, no?
Get different. Не очень. Типа в чем отличие? Я не пойму.
Do you understand? Where do they get different? Main and Alex. Where do they become different? Become. What is become? Становятся.
Почему они стали разными?
Где они
Становятся
становятся
разными.
разные? Where do, если мы сравниваем, compare, if we compare main and Alex, where do they get different? At what commit? Understand?
I don't understand question.
Где Алекс и Main расходятся? После какого коммита они начинают расходиться?
Ну, после вот этого вот
После
тут, типа.
третьего. Почему? Why do they get different after the
Третьего,
third
потому
commit?
что
Because
because
we
we
created
created Alex
our branch
branch
at third
after
commit.
created
Because we were in the
after
third
third
commit.
commit,
Because we
yes.
were in detached state. Yeah. In third commit. And this is why
Mm-hmm.
they start. So Alex and Main have the same three commits. First three commits. And Nasta and Main
Mm-hmm.
have the same two commits, right?
Yes.
So we have our main branch.
Yes.
And we created two branches here from main branch. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, but actually we were in detached state. So we weren't on the main branch when we created. We just, yeah, it's very hard to understand. So, but right now we have three branches. You will be working on your branch, and I will be working on my branch. Understand?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay.
What is merge? What do you think merge is?
Merge, объединять. Merge.
Let's create three more commits on merge, on the main branch. Let's create three more commits on the main branch.
Git code. Ой. Git account main. Mm-hmm.
Let's see the commits here. Let's create three more. Let's create three more. Five, 6, and 7. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 5. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yes, you were right. 560. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Can I type touch 5
Touch. It's
txt
not
6
touch, please.
7 and after
Touch.
that git add
Huh?
touch and after that no, can I type touch 5 6
No,
7
it's not
txt and
touch.
after
It's
that
not
git add
touch. It's
touch
touch. Okay, now
can
continue.
I do this? No, and
Repeat
after
your
that
question. Repeat your
git
question, please, but don't say touch, please.
okay, can I type touch 5 txt 6 7 txt
It will all be in the same
and
commit. They will all be on the same commit. But we need to have separate commits.
Yes?
No, you can't. Maybe we can,
Okay.
but yeah, but we need to have three commits, not one commit. You will create three files, but it will be just one commit. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Created. Mhm. And 2 more commits. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Now
And now we can check.
imagine the following situation. We are working for an IT company. We have 10 programmers. Imagine
Mm-hmm.
this. Do you imagine this? Can you
Mm-hmm.
imagine this? So you are a
Yes, yes,
programmer.
yes.
I am a programmer. Fedya is a programmer. Vasya is a programmer. Petya is a programmer. Natasha is a programmer. So, and we work here, yeah? We all work for the
Mm-hmm.
same team. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
And there is like a supervisor. There is a team lead, right? So he looks at the code.
Mm-hmm.
You write code on your branch. You work with everything on your branch. I'm working on my branch. Fedya is working on his. And I look at all your code and I say, "Oh, Fedya, wonderful code." And he tells us, "Now let's merge everything that you have into our main branch because your code is amazing." Understand?
Yes.
And we merge everything that Fedya did into our main branch. Understand?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And now our main branch contains what it has already contained before. What it already contained before. And now all the commits that Fedya has, all the code that he has on his branch, become one with our main branch. Understand? Все,
Yes.
что он имел на своей ветви, теперь будет частью главной
Mm-hmm.
ветви.
That.
And now our team lead
Mm-hmm.
tells us, now you need to rebase everything from the main branch to your branches because his code is amazing. Он говорит, теперь весь код с главной ветви нужно на
Понял.
ваши ветви перетянуть. Understand? And this
Mm-hmm.
is what we
Mm-hmm.
need. So Fedya uses merge. When Fedya, you know,
Mm-hmm.
he he merges his code into our main branch. But if we rebase usually, yeah, it's a common practice based on the common practice. We need to rebase into a feature. So Nasta is a feature branch. Fedya is a feature branch. Alex is a feature branch. And we
Mm-hmm.
have just one main branch. And actually, rebase is the opposite to merge. And now, guys, his code is amazing, so please rebase the main branch into yours. Understand? And
Yes.
now let's rebase our and imagine that the last 3 commits belong to Fedya. Yeah, like they were done by Fedya. Imagine that the last 3 commits is code. It was the code that was written by Fedya or by Michael. I don't know, right? And
Five,
now
six, and
we need
seven.
to
Yes.
switch. We need to switch to the main branch, and we are on the main. And now, no, right now, let's check the branch that we are currently in. How do we branch? How do we check the current branch? main, right? Let's switch to yours.
Mm-hmm.
And now your team lead tells you, rebase the code of main into your branch. You type git rebase space main. Enter,
Enter.
enter. See what happened. And everything that Fedya did, you have now everything that Fedya did, understand? Because Fedya merged. Understand what's happening here?
Yes.
So try to explain to me in English
Can
what
I?
happened. Mhm.
We replace my two files, 3 and 4, on main branch.
No, мы взяли с главной ветви последние 3 коммита, которые были, допустим, там Федей написанные, да, код. Сказал наш тимлид, у него код прекрасный у Феди, просто обалденный. Давайте мы замерджим его код в нашу главную ветвь. А теперь, ребятки, все взяли и ребейзили с главной ветви себе. Потому что и работаем дальше с этим кодом.
А,
Понятно?
я думала, что я с Настей вот эти два
Если
файла
Федя,
в
если Федя
главную
код
main.
написал, то он замерживает все в главную ветвь. Потому что я проверил его код, я тимлид и говорю, Федя, красавчик, давай делаем это главным кодом.
Ну и
Главный
он
код
свои
это код,
файлы
который вот
добавляет в
наш,
main.
вот наш сайт берет с гит, он запуливает этот гит код с гитхаба, наш сайт, представь, вот Django проект. Он запуливает наш код.
Угу.
You know, I wish, you know, it pulls our main website, pulls, yeah, the code from the main branch. It's our main branch, production branch, understand? Branch. It's our main branch, so we have to be very careful. Очень осторожны с этой ветвью. We have to be very, very careful. So I examined the code Fedya wrote and said, Fedya, amazing. So now everything that you have done in your branch can be merged into the main branch. And now our website will work on Fedya's code, understand? And now he tells you,
Угу.
team lead tells you, guys, you need to use Fedya's code. You need to rebase like everything that was merged before into the main branch to your code. Yeah? And this is exactly what we did. Understand? Теперь у нас главная
Yes.
ветвь main. Main. Мы замерджили. We merged. То, что Федя сделал в главную ветвь. А rebase, теперь мы берем главную ветвь, и это обратное действие как бы от merge. Мы делаем все теперь, делаем нашей частью главной ветви. Understand? Понимаешь, да? Или сложно понять?
Сейчас, как я это понимаю?
Мгм.
Вот, допустим, я...
In English, please.
Настя
In
это
English,
Федя,
please. In English. In English, please. In
этот
English.
бренч Настя это
Please in
Федя.
English. Please in English.
Вот получается, я вот это... Окей. Uh, I I add my two files, yes, for nasty.txt, 3 nasty.txt. I merge, yes, and these files added on main branch. And now I have all code on
Мы взяли,
main
у тебя было
branch.
4 коммита. You had 4 commits on your branch. Right? And on the main branch, we have 7 commits. Мы просто взяли всех их и объединили. 7, сколько будет? 7 плюс 2.
9.
Let's count these commits. 7 plus 2 gives 9. 1,
1,
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Why do we have 9 commits?
Because 7 main and 2 Nastya.
Because we created. So let's go through all the commits that we have here. So 3 Nastya.txt, when was it created? Ну, вот допустим, да, вот допустим, у нас было изначально 5. Initially we had 5 commits. Four commits on our main branch, 4 commits. Yeah? And we created your branch after the second commit. It means that now main and your branch have the same 2 commits. Right? And now we also have Fedya, who also has some files on his code. And now он берет и делает, он берет свои коммиты и смешивает с главной ветвью. Он мержит, он замерживает. Merge. И теперь все файлы, которые он имел, весь код, мы соединяем с главной ветвью. Все коммиты. И последний код, который он написал, теперь будет последним кодом. И теперь он говорит, ребятки, давайте берете код, который вот я только что стал частью главной ветви, и в свою ветвь делаете. And this is exactly what we did. Мы взяли все коммиты главной ветви и соединили с нашими коммитами, которые есть на наших ветвях. Это Rebase. А merge это обратное действие. И теперь, если ты будешь работать хорошо, если у тебя будет код классный, но мы уже исходим из того кода, который Федя замержил в главную ветвь. Теперь, если ты будешь хорошо работать, тимлид глянет и скажет, ой, классный код. Давай-ка мы теперь делаем его с главным, давай теперь мы твой код смешаем с главной ветвью, все твои коммиты. И мы делаем merge. Как правило, мы замердживаем в главную ветвь, а ребейсим обратно feature branch. See, no, you need to speak English. I know that your English is quite bad, and we need to work on your English, but we don't have time to work on your English. This is the problem. But we have to speak only English during our lessons.
Yes, it's...
So therefore, you will have to create an account on my website one more time. And the connection is bad today.
Yes.
Okay.
Наше дерево, то есть никак по виду не изменилось, правильно?
Our branch hasn't, our tree hasn't changed?
Ну, yes.
А ну сейчас проверим, давай. Git log graph, давай. Type git graph, git log one line, graph all. Изменилось. Changed. Now our tree has changed. Что произошло? Теперь у нас не 3, как бы.
Получается...
Теперь у нас нет расхождений таких 3. Теперь у нас 2 расхождения. Теперь у нас two divergences. Alex, теперь у тебя твоя ветвь и главная, как одни коммиты, идет по одной. А Alex разная, потому что я не заребейсил свою. Ясно?
Да,
а я могу теперь замерджить в главную ветвь. Ты заребейсила свою. То есть мы смешали весь код, все файлы, которые были на главной, с твоими. А теперь я могу замерджить. В плане файлов ничего не изменится. В плане коммитов оно разное. Понимаешь, как оно работает, да? Но нам нужно быть аккуратными с главной ветвью. То есть нам нужно с тем, что когда мы сливаем с главной ветвью, должны быть аккуратны, да? И мы всегда должны быть аккуратны. We always have to be careful. So understand? But actually, yeah, all programmers work on their branch. Michael works on his branch. You work on your own branch. Yeah? Because imagine if we add everything to the main branch, we will always have conflicts. Always. Imagine. So you add it, and we don't know what to pull, what to push, right? Because imagine you did something in that file, and Michael did something in that file, and always conflicts, right? Therefore, we all need to work on our own branches, understand? And
Mm-hmm.
team lead looks at all the code that we have written, and he said, okay, your code is amazing. Let's make it the main code. And we merge your code, yeah, into our main branch. And we can also rebase, understand? So this is how
Mm-hmm.
Git works, and this is what we need Git for, actually. And actually, what we are doing right now
Mm-hmm.
is wonderful practice. Wonderful practice, because right now you get the taste of how to work for an IT company.
Yes, it's hard.
It's just the very beginning. If it's hard for you now, it will get, I cannot say 5 times harder, maybe 100 times harder.
It's hard to understand.
And today we worked only with Rebase, yeah? We haven't worked with merge today, only with
Mm-hmm.
Rebase, because we rebased. And as you can guess, or as you might have guessed, in our next lesson we'll be working with merge as well. In other words, когда мы смешиваем коммиты, наши коды, в плане, в плане того, можно замержить в главную ветвь, можно замержить в feature branch, и можно заребесить в главную ветвь, можно заребесить feature branch. Но принято мержить в
То
главную,
есть,
а ребесить feature. Поняла?
мгм.
Ясно, как работает?
Да,
Yeah,
да,
but
я поняла.
yeah, and we also have to speak English because we record our lessons and post them and upload them to YouTube. And I know that there aren't many viewers because to be honest, I am not trying to make my channel very popular because I'm still afraid that I may make a mistake because I cannot say that I'm a professional IT specialist, you know, because just like you, I'm learning. Yeah, I have been learning IT for like 12 years, for the last 12 years. Yeah, but still, we are learning both. Yeah, and together with us, our
Mm.
viewers are learning. Therefore, you know, we have to speak English. And therefore, please create an account on my website, gordels.xyz, and do the first 5 lessons. Okay? It's your homework.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Create a new account,
Okay.
a new one, because I had a problem with my website, so and a lot of information got lost. Yeah, and create a new account and do the first 5. We will finish the first like skyrocket sections. I renamed the skyrocket. It was for kids. Now the name of that section is skyrocket because I know that your English is still not good, and we are not learning English.
Thank
We
you.
are learning IT right now. Okay, that is all for today. What are your
Uh,
plans? Stop
can
sharing your
you
screen.
write me? Can you write me homework? Okay.
Yes, I will do this. Tell me about your plans for today.
Now I want eat.
You want to eat, not won't eat.
After that, I don't know.
I
I
want to
want to eat.
eat.
Yes. After that,
I'm hungry.
I go.
So first I'm going to
Yes,
eat
I'm
and
hungry.
then
It's my main problem. And after that, I don't know. Maybe uh, I must help my grandmother.
maybe I will help my
Uh,
grandmother with housework,
I will help
housework chores.
his grandmother. Yes, yes. And that's all.
Mm-hmm. And next time the connection should be better because it was very bad. I don't know why. Today the
Mm-hmm.
connection was awful.
I don't know why today I have bad connection.
Okay,
Yes.
so see you on Monday. I will send you homework. Thank
Yes.
you. Bye.
Thank you for the lesson.
Bye.